In 2015, Apple introduced a completely redesigned MacBook with a full-size but super thin keyboard. This keyboard utilized an all-new mechanism dubbed by Apple as the butterfly switch. This keyboard design was adopted by the MacBook Pro line the following year and continues to be used to this day. In late 2017, complaints started appearing online about the keyboards having numerous problems, everything from unresponsive keys to keys getting stuck, causing repeated characters. In an article on The Outline, Casey Johnston recounted her story of dealing with a failing keyboard. Apple's response to her was that a simple piece of dust could be causing all of her grief. And to make matters worse, the butterfly mechanism below the keys is extremely difficult and easy to break. And the entire keyboard is integrated into the upper case, which means there's no way to replace just the keyboard. The entire upper case must be replaced. That's right, according to Apple, a piece of dust can break your keyboard, and to get it replaced, you'll have to replace the entire upper case, sometimes a battery below it, which should cost you almost $700 if you're out of warranty. Since then, despite Apple releasing a recommended way of cleaning the keyboard, cries from consumers have gotten worse and recently boiled over into a class action lawsuit. Last week, Apple finally responded with a keyboard replacement program, which might sound nice, but doesn't solve the problem at all. These keyboards are flawed by design, so a new butterfly keyboard will break just as easily as your old one did. Why? Well, first of all, they're inspired by a delicate butterfly, which, seems like an ideal inspiration for a device that gets button mashed to death day after day. But that's not the root cause. Underneath the keys, you can see the dome switch that triggers the key strike, and surrounding it is the butterfly mechanism. You can see just how shallow the key strike is. When you introduce some particles of dirt, they can get lodged in between the butterfly mechanism and prevent it from moving properly. Interestingly, Apple revamped its butterfly mechanism in 2016, increasing the size of the dome switch. While we think this updated version is better at handling dust, it had been on the market for over a year before the volume of complaints reached a fever pitch, so it doesn't seem like the design changes solve the problem. So if it's just a little dirt causing the issue, then why can't you just pop off the key and clean what's underneath? Well, the keycaps and butterfly mechanisms are extremely fragile, and they're easily broken during individual replacement. According to Casey Johnston's research, even a professional repair person breaks the spacebar when trying to remove it every single time. So you can't replace the individual keys, and those keys are integrated into the upper case, which sometimes has a battery glued in behind it, making the entire upper half of that laptop one component. Apple has to do a phenomenal amount of extensive repair work to replace these keyboards, and we hate to say we told you so, but we've been making noise about this since the first Retina MacBook Pro. But maybe that's what it'll take for Apple to consider repair when they design their next MacBook keyboard.